put a couple small ones in by hand, shifted them a little bit.
Happy Friday. This is just a quick sneak preview for all of our really loyal viewers. Hopefully that helps clarify this a little more as why I'm taking a mini bike with me in the bucket loader.
Alright, I got the mini bike. You see the handlebar dropping off the high lifter way out on one of these north ridges. Now I'll bring the excavator back, try and get some more rocks. A little bit of a bumpy ride.
All right, real quick, for this to make sense to our new viewers, why I had to haul a mini bike out there. So the place I'm getting the large boulders from is on our north ridge on this property. So I got to take, over a half-mile trip all the way out to the north end of our property. Might be more, like 6/10 of a mile. So it's a long way to haul the equipment back and forth. So I'm hauling the John Deere all the way out first. I'm taking the mini bike back, and then I'm going to hop in the excavator and go back up to this north ridge to get these boulders. So hopefully that helps clarify this a little more as why I'm taking a mini bike with me in the bucket loader.
Beats walking though. Back with the excavator. Let's get us some boulders. Let's get some rock.
Overgrown acres standing in your way, thorny brush that ruins your day. Don't you worry, don't you break a sweat, we're the best darn crew that you've ever met. Welcome to Capper Outdoors, hear the engines roar. We tame those big old trees and clear from shore to shore, pushing dirt with a bulldozer, making brand new ground for a field of dreams where your future's found. Tangled roots deep, got secrets of the old timers it wants to keep. We fire up the diesel, give a mighty shove, making way for the vision that you're dreaming of. Welcome to Capper Outdoors, hear the engines roar. We tame those big old trees and clear from shore to shore, pushing dirt with a bulldozer, making brand new ground for a field of dreams where your future's found. Capper Outdoors. Yeah, we clear the land.
Okay, put a couple small ones in by hand, shifted them a little bit. We got a full load now, baby. Wow. All right, hardest part's gonna be getting it spun around this tree here on this hillside. But this machine is a beast. My rear end's gonna hit a tree right here, so I can't really turn much more until I clear it. Woo! Whoa! She feels tippy right here. Oh, buckets! A lot of weight on that sucker. Oh, I made it almost. Oh, yes. All right, nice slow ride home. Gonna ride later tonight from Sharon, pick up the excavator. Get you back down at the pond. All right, let's get our strategy together here. That big one could be a standalone if I could get it off by itself, but I don't know how that's going to go. I think I know where I want to put the big one if I could get it to drop. See that other big one? I don't know if I should put it at the same depth or a little deeper, or even a little more shallow. Because if it fills all the way up, it's going to be a good hunting spot for them bass up shallow. All right, we got some rain yesterday. Let's get a new pond update. I think it's August 14th maybe. All right, happy Friday. This is just a quick sneak preview for all of our really loyal viewers. You know, we're 8 minutes in and you stuck through. I cut the boat channel. It's going to be some cool episodes, but here's just a quick sneak preview since it's Friday night. A lot more action coming on this pond build. Okay, I can't show you too much more, but stuff is still happening. Stay tuned to the channel, and don't forget, please hit the like button and share this video. It would really help us out if everyone gave it a share. We'd really appreciate that. All right, have a great weekend. Let's finish out today's. Let's try that. Let's try to get it up here a little more shallow to where you can see it either sticking out of the water or you can just see it just below the water. Now we got a bunch of them. I could shuffle them around with the tractor. All right, let's take what we got left. I want to go around that backside. Got a rock pile right here. It covers quite a bit of depth. Go right about here, about 3-4 foot of depth.
Not a very big pile, we used them up, but try and get the excavator back out. I'll make the smaller ones into a separate pile. Get closer, get really closer. Alright, I'm going to separate these smaller ones from that big one and make a separate pile over here because that big one is a standalone.